Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to edit YouTube Shorts on CapCut in 2025. So CapCut's latest version makes it super easy for you to create the shorts, engaging videos for YouTube, TikTok or Reels. So let's go through the full process from start to finish. So first of all, you need to start your new project. You can use the CapCut's PC application on your laptop, or you can also open it on your mobile device. When you click on the option of new project, you are going to see this type of interface or dashboard in front of you. Over here, click on the option of import and import all of your videos or clips over here. Now, the first thing that you need to do here is to simply drag and drop your video first, then go to the option of ratio or the resolution, and here you need to change the resolution to 9:16. After that, if your videos are in vertical, it is well and good, but if it is in the horizontal format, you will have to use this scale in order to adjust it something like this. Now you need to start trimming your clips to make it under 60 seconds with the help of this particular split tool that is given over here. Now you can select the unwanted part and remove it from the video, and it will come something like this. Now, if you want to add the text on top of your video, simply go to the option of text. Over here, simply click on the option of default text and place it on top of your video, something like this. Over here, by default, it will say the default text, but you can type whichever text you want, and then you can increase or decrease the font size. You can change the font color. You can make it bold, underline, italic, or you can also change its font as well. So once you have done that, you can use the text option to add the auto captions as well. Now we need to go to the effects section, and here you will find bunch of different video effects. So you can use some of the trending effects and add them on top of your video. Now you can also add the transitions and bunch of other filters on top of your video in order to make it more clean and more smooth. After that, simply click on the option of export on the top right hand corner of the screen, and you need to export this particular video on your device. So this way you will be able to edit your shorts video on CapCut in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.